PASCO's one-way mirror model supports hands-on, OpenSciEd lessons in Unit 6.1 Light and Matter. Students explore how waves are reflected, absorbed, or transmitted through certain materials. PASCO's model simplifies your setup process. Our box's markings show where to attach the light source, battery, and figurines. Easily switch out the different cards to change the surface type. Students observe phenomena through the viewports without external light leaking in. They discover the visibility of objects in the light versus dark side of the system. Add a wireless light and color sensor that fits securely in the viewports. Connect it to SparkView software to graph and analyze light levels of different scenarios. Following OpenSciEd's three-dimensional storyline, students create and modify a class consensus about how our eyes perceive objects in the system when light interacts with the one-way mirror. When the unit is over, remove the 9-volt battery from the light source and close the lid. PASCO's model keeps the whole demo contained in one compact box that takes up minimal space for storage. Visit pasco.com to learn more about the one-way mirror model.